Hi everyone, so I'm here at Paddington Station, London, and I'm soon going to board my train to Bath. Uh, I'm taking a short trip there and still waiting for boarding to start. The train would take about 1.5 hours from London, Paddington to reach Bath Spa. And Bath, I think, if you don't know, it's famous for its Roman baths. It has hot water springs, as I've heard. So let's start this trip. As you can see that my train is towards Bristol, and it's the 12:02 train, and the platform is not decided yet, so I'm still waiting here. I'll just give you a look of the Paddington station. It's a huge station, and it has like a lot of platforms. Trains to all parts of England travel from here. It is very much like King's Cross. But King's Cross, I think it has a very old school feel. It has that old world charm. Paddington Station is more like a modern station with, all the busy shops, and there is this marketplace or a small mall where if you have arrived to the station early, you can always, go to this marketplace, enjoy some good food. You can even have drinks here. It's a very busy station. Since there are so many trains, I read that, more than 100 trains were traveling from London to Bath every day. So if that's the amount of train that are traveling to one particular destination, so you can imagine there are so many destinations in England here, and how many trains must be traveling from this particular station. So I have come to know that my train is going to arrive on platform 5, so I'm going towards platform 5 now, and I'll just show you how it goes. That's platform 5, and So I've entered the platform, and my train is waiting at the platform, and now I'm soon going to board my train. So guys, this is my train, and my coach is B, so I'll be walking towards coach B and I'll board it. So that's the first class. First class, I think the seats are much better, and they also give you a complimentary meal in the first class ticket. I'm traveling via the standard class, and my coach is B, so it should be right next to the first class. Oh no, this one is J, so I think I'll have to walk a bit further. I think it will be towards the end of the train. 10 minutes for this train to depart. I should be walking faster. One great thing that I have experienced here in UK is that people travel with their pets. I mean, if they are going on a holiday, they would take their pets along. And I feel that that's like a very nice and great way to show that you really care. So this is coach C, and I think I'm in the next coach. Oh, it's the second last coach. So I'm boarding now.
Customers from Oxford should change to Top Pathway for replacement bus service. As always, jumping on the railway, please keep a close watch on your personal property at all times. Without it running, if you're hearing any condition or gears moving back suspiciously, won't be here until the we should take you to the bin. And please let a member of staff know. You can't find us, you can't get through to us, or there's something you want to look at us, you'll take it down or text us straight to the police. Happy confident. They're checking
So I'm about to reach Bath. So excited. So that's my train leaving from Bath Spa. There's something really fascinating about trains, isn't it? So that's Bath Spa station. On the train it was announced that since the platform is curved, you need to be extra careful while getting off the train, because at some points there's a huge gap between the train and the platform. So that's me getting out of Bath Spa station, and from here I will walk towards my hotel. I have booked at Premier Inn Bath Spa, because Premier Inn they are very economical and quite nice in terms of stay. So I have come out of Bath Spa station, and I don't know what God plans for me. I mean, whenever I plan to go out on a vacation or a trip, usually it's sunny, but those days it would rain, and it's raining here in Bath Spa as well. So let me just walk to my hotel now, and let's see from there. I'll wrap up this video here. Let me just give you a quick look of the station area. So yes, since it's raining and I'll have to walk, so I'll wrap up this video here. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it, and let me know how you find this video in the comment section, and if there are things that I should add or you think that I should improve upon, because I'm really new to all this. Please do let me know about that. See you, it's raining, bye.